Burn them tight!
I'll be running through these checklists. Make a movie like it's Netflix. Wanna find niggas naked. Really watch
Hey yo, what's good? It's your boy BRZ Lifestyle. We're back at it again with another vlog, you feel me? It's like 6:45 in the morning. I'm finna get it and movie change and stuff. Going crazy out here.
At the next stop sign, turn left. At the stop sign, turn left onto Commerce Drive, then take a slight right turn. Turn right into the parking lot. Arrived.
Yep, we're here. Crazy. They're like right in front of the door. I think there's like there's an STI in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Crazy. 7:15 right now, so I'm just in front of the door waiting for them to open the door so I could get inside and stuff. You know, this is like my third oil change on this car. I think after this one, I don't know. I think I might just start doing my own oil change from now. This is the waiting room. Oh yeah. And then that's the STI we saw from outside. It looks so similar to the BRZ, like the inside of it, like the steering wheel is like so similar, except for this. And the seats are different too and stuff. Crazy. Trying to just wait here. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but
I don't think Mom likes the hat. She does not like that. Okay. Mom, I'm gonna help you out. Put the hat over here. But listen, anything else?
Yes.
This for you, sir?
alright, thank you.
More of this view, I guess. Here you go. Have a great day.
Same.
I might just hit it raw, hold on, that's on my element. I like dark skins, love a melanin.